Good morning, everyone. My name is Muhammad Ramdani, and I'm a information system college student from Saputra University. And in this presentation, I will do a presentation about Microsoft Excel features. The first feature is spreadsheet interface. Excel uses a grid of cells organized in columns and rows. Users can enter and manipulate data in individual cells, perform calculation, and apply formatting. 2. Data organization and manipulation. Excel allows users to sort, filter, and group data based on specific criteria. Users can also insert, delete, and move rows and columns to organize data effectively. The third, formulas and functions. Excel offers a vast library of built-in mathematical, statistical, logical, and text functions. These functions can be used to perform calculations, manipulate data, and automate tasks. 4. Data analysis. Excel provides various tools for data analysis, such as pivot tables, which summarize large datasets and allow users to analyze data from different perspectives. Excel also offers data validation, scenario management, and goal-seeking tools. Fifth, users can create professional-looking charts and graphs in Excel to visually represent data. Excel supports a wide range of chart types, including column, line, pie, scatter, and more. Users can customize the appearance and layout of charts to communicate information effectively. Sixth, Excel allows users to apply formatting rules based on specific conditions. This feature helps highlight important data, identify trends, and visualize patterns in a spreadsheet. Data import and export. Excel supports importing data from various sources, including databases, text files, and web pages. Users can also export Excel data to different formats like CSV, PDF, and HTML. 8. Collaboration and sharing. Excel enables multiple users to work on the same spreadsheet simultaneously, making it easy to collaborate on projects. Users can also protect and restrict access to specific parts of a workbook. 9. Automations with macros. Excel includes a powerful macro feature that allows users to automate repetitive tasks. Macros are recorded sequences of actions that can be replayed to perform tasks quickly and efficiently. And the last one, add-ins and integration. Excel supports a wide range of add-ins and integrates with other Microsoft Office applications like Word, PowerPoint, and Access. It also provides integration with external data sources and APIs. And that's it. I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching this, and see you.